Most creators struggle to make their next viral video. And honestly, I used to struggle with this too. Every time I wanted to make a high-performing video, I had to spend hours researching trends, studying viral content, writing scripts, testing edits, and trying to figure out what actually works. But recently, I discovered a much easier way to do it. Instead of starting from scratch, I can now use AI to analyze trending videos and recreate that same viral style feeling in minutes, which means less editing, less wasted time, and way faster content creation, while still getting insanely high-quality results. And the craziest part? If you follow this same method, you can create viral style videos too. So let me show you. Yes, ByteDance is changing the game again. Pippet can now analyze and recreate the viral structure of almost any video using Seedance 2.0, helping creators generate insanely high-quality viral style content in minutes instead of spending hours editing from scratch. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use Pippet AI's reference video feature with Seedance 2.0 to recreate viral style videos, including one of the craziest trends on the internet right now, talking fruit people videos. So make sure to watch till the end, because the results honestly shocked me. Now, first of all, we're going to open any browser and search for Pippet AI, and as soon as you log in, you instantly get free credits to start creating videos. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, what if the credits run out? Ha 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 ha. Don't worry, Pippet actually gives you new credits daily, so you can keep testing and creating content again and again without constantly worrying. Now, over here, you'll notice something really interesting. You'll see the reference video option, and this is where the magic happens. This feature basically allows you to upload any viral video and let Pippet analyze the entire structure of that content, including the pacing, cinematic style, camera movement, transitions, effects, and overall creative flow. And then, it recreates a completely new version with that same viral energy. This is honestly insane. Now for this example, I'm gonna upload a viral talking fruit people video. And yes, these videos are blowing up everywhere right now. You've probably already seen talking apples, bananas, oranges, and other AI fruit characters going insanely viral across Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. So I wanted to test whether Pippet could actually recreate that same viral feeling. Now as soon as I upload the reference video, look what happens. Pippet instantly analyzes the video and automatically generates the structure and captions. Now over here, I'm gonna select the aspect ratio as 9:16 because I'm creating shorts content. For the video duration, I'm gonna keep it around 5 to 15 seconds depending on the style of the original viral clip. And now comes the most important part, the AI model selection. For this, we're going to use Seedance 2.0. And trust me, this model is absolutely insane for cinematic AI video generation. Now once everything is ready, all we need to do is hit generate. And now the cloning process officially starts. At this point, Pippet AI begins analyzing the viral video's creative DNA and recreates the pacing, movement, visual style, and emotional feeling automatically. And boom, within moments, the AI-generated version is ready. Alright, now let's compare the results side by side. On the left side, we have the original viral talking fruit video. And on the right side, we have the recreated version generated by Pippet AI using Seedance 2.0.
You think you've seen it all. Just another quirky piece of art, right? But what if it was hungry?
Now seriously, just look at this. The movement, the cinematic feel, the pacing, the lighting, the expressions, everything feels incredibly polished and natural. And what honestly surprised me the most is how Pippet recreated the same viral energy while still making the final result feel original and unique. That's the crazy part. It doesn't just copy videos, it recreates the entire viral structure and transforms it into something fresh. And this is exactly why I think this tool is going to completely change AI content creation, especially for creators who struggle with ideas or spend hours trying to edit viral style videos manually. Now let's test another example. This time, I'm gonna upload another viral AI shorts clip using the exact same process. Again, Pippet automatically analyzes the reference video and prepares everything almost instantly. Now once again, I'll select Seedance 2.0, and honestly, this model feels unbelievably powerful. Now let's generate this second video too, and there we go. The second result is ready.
Some cats dream of climbing trees, ours dream of conquering the sky. Feel that rush! Nothing can stop him now. But the best part? A peaceful glide through a sea of clouds. Another perfect landing. Ready for the next adventure? Don't miss out. Subscribe for more fun adventures.
Wow, this honestly looks crazy good. The cinematic quality, motion, and human-like feel inside the generated video look incredibly realistic. And now let's compare this version with the original reference video side by side. Look carefully at both videos. You'll instantly notice how Pippet successfully recreated the same hook, pacing, camera movement, and emotional style while still making the final output feel fresh. This is exactly why viral videos perform so well, because structure matters. Viral videos aren't luck, they're patterns, and Pippet AI helps you replicate those patterns faster than ever before. Now, another thing I really like is how simple this platform is to use. You don't need complicated editing skills, you don't need advanced animation knowledge, and you definitely don't need expensive production teams anymore. You simply upload a reference video, choose Dreamina Seedance 2.0, click generate, and let Pippet handle the heavy work for you. And honestly, that's kind of scary, because this means almost anyone can now create insanely high-quality viral content in minutes. Now, before ending this video, I want to say this one more time because it's important. Pippet, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and let you recreate viral videos faster than ever before. Same viral impact, faster launch. So if you're a content creator, faceless channel owner, shorts creator, or someone who wants to grow faster online, then this tool is definitely worth trying. You can sign up for free, test the reference video feature yourself, and claim daily credits directly from the platform. I'll leave the link in the description below. And yeah, don't forget to experiment with the talking fruit trend because the results are honestly hilarious and insanely viral. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next insane AI video. Until then, take care, and bye-bye.